how to connect Shopify with Square. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about something different today. Now today, we will be discussing on how you can connect your Shopify, which is an e-commerce platform, with Square, which is basically a platform that would allow you to have or order some POS system that you could put on your real-life stores. Now, this is a bit different because, of course, in Shopify, they're mainly focused on online stores. But in today, we will be discussing the in-person type of selling, as you can see here. So basically selling at a retail store or a physical location. And we will be discussing on how you will be able to establish connection between Square. For example, you have ordered a hardware from Square, like a register, terminal, stand mount, or any of their products over here. They are basically like a POS system, but live, like hardware. And we're going to be discussing different ways for you to be able to connect it with your own store in Shopify. Now, a POS is a point of sale. And over here, under sales channel in Shopify, you can see that you have sales channel, online store, and point of sale. So right now we have point of sale, and under point of sale, you will be able to check out your different locations. And as you can see here, this is where you will be able to see. You can check out your location right now. You could also check out your settings over here, POS apps, and basically you will be able to find extension that would allow you to connect a POS system with your Shopify store, which will then of course connect to your POS, or rather the POS system that you have, the hardware. If it exists with the connection in the App Store, you will be able to successfully connect it with Shopify. And so that's what we're going to check out today. We're going to check out the Shopify App Store, different methods, or if there is an application that would allow us to connect with Square. So there's a lot of different POS systems apps over here for different types of POS, but the POS hardware that we're trying to look for today is Square. So we're going to add Square over here on the search bar. And as you can see here, there aren't really options for Square. So that is a bit different for us, but there's this one over here, although this has really low rating and low amount of users. So this is not something this is not something I would suggest that you use for your Square. But as you can see, we check it out. We tried in Shopify App Store. So what we're going to do, since it does not exist within Shopify itself, and of course it will not exist in Square, because Square mainly handles, payments, and like this way, as you can see, powering all the different ways for your business. So they are offering POS system for us to use in real life, like custom tailored product suits for restaurant, retail, and beauty business over here. Now you could actually try to contact their sales and optimize their operation, or optimize your version so that they could connect it with your Shopify. But there is also another method that does not involve reaching out to them, which is using the sqiq.com. So basically, they are a platform that helps small to medium business sync inventory and reporting between their point of sale, which is our Square over here, assuming you have bought one of these POS system of Square. And it's going to basically allow you and it's going to help you connect to your e-commerce platform. So simply visit their platform over here, and we're going to select our point of sale. Now we have Square as one of the options over here. So now we have selected Square, which is this one. And then we're going to select our e-commerce, which is Shopify, of course. And then we're going to click on integration report so that we could verify if an integration between these two platforms is actually possible. And so over here, it is actually possible. Multi-store support is available for Square and Shopify. Auto-push new product feature is available for these two platforms. Auto-push new variants, unfortunately, it's not available in Square, but order sync is available. So it's going to basically give you a note and a report on the different things that you will be able to do with the Shopify and Square syncing or integration. There are options such as allowing you to add quantity to your products. It will automatically translate into your Shopify. You can check out the different interactions over here and many more. So there are images over here which will really help you with how it works. So over here, you will be able to create the combined records of all orders between your e-commerce and POS. So that's a really great feature as well. You could offer your customer in-store or curbside pickup, all of those things. So after this report, if you are satisfied with the report that you have received, you could actually schedule a consultation with the manager or like their support system consultation time, and you could schedule a time with them, and you could discuss your business with this platform, discussing what type of shop you're trying to run in Shopify, what type of products are you going to be selling. For example, you're going to be mainly selling clothes, shoes, branded products, stuff like that. You have to mention it to them because they will be modifying or creating an application that is specifically for Square and Shopify. Now, it's a bit confusing because this is no longer an online store. It's more on a real life store that you have to manage. So there's a lot of very sensitive information or sensitive changes and integration that you have to do. So meeting and setting up a consultation with professionals is something that would help you a lot with what you're trying to do. You can check out some pricing over here in SKU IQ as well, so that you can check out different information. So as you can see, for example, this one, the most popular right now is Plus, which is basically $70 per month, which would allow you to have a syncing of 500 orders and more. There's other options, just basic, growth, and premium over here. So depending on the difficulty or your customization, the amount of customization that you want, there will be some changes in the pricing, of course, and some features. Of course, they will let you know if they can't implement this feature for you, or if you want a specific feature, you will be able to know the status of those different things. So that's basically it, guys. You have two options. You have accessing SKU IQ over here and talking to them, booking a consultation for your desired output, or you could also try it out in Square themselves, where you could contact them and ask if they can set up a connection between their Square software and hardware and your Shopify store over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.